How do you upload a video to YouTube? Today, we're going to take you step by step through how to upload your first video and get your YouTube channel started. Let's dive right in and get started. Welcome to my channel. My name is James and I help you build your YouTube channel, optimize it for successful growth, and create more engagement with your audience. If you like that kind of content, stick around. That's what we're going to help you do today. Let's dive right into getting your first video uploaded on YouTube. Today's show is brought to you by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is our favorite platform to help find opportunities to grow your channel. You can research your audience, you can understand how other people's videos are performing in your niche, and it'll show you even step by step how to optimize your channel and optimize your content for successful search, rankings, and growth. And don't forget, if you're under 1,000 subscribers and you get the Pro plan, you can start using this for 50% off today. Get started right now and start using TubeBuddy to find the opportunities you need for your channel. Today we are going to start showing you how to set up and add videos now to our new channel. So what you want to do right here, we're going to hit right here on the home page of our channel, and you're going to have this video that says upload video. You'll also see right up here this little camera icon that says create. You click on that and you can either go live or you can upload a video from there as well. Click on one of those, then you can just either drag and drop the file, or you can just click select file and find it on your home page. I can go here to my Camtasia Studio videos and how to find content ideas. We're just uploading a clip that we cut out of our latest live stream, and you can then fill out your description and find your content ideas right here. Now, I have not made my custom thumbnails. I don't have any playlists yet. We have another video on how to create playlists coming out and not made for kids. You always want to make sure you select this. Not made for kids, not for made for kids. Unless your content is made for kids under the age of 13, it's always going to be selected not made for kids. Age restrictions, you don't want to age restrict your content. That's going to affect your monetization unless there's a lot of cursing or negative language in your videos. Then you want to click next once it's uploaded. I can't add Endscreens or cards yet to my channel. And we are going to set this as private because I'm not done with my thumbnail yet for this video. So we are going to go ahead and put it in there and just close it. And we'll go in and add our description and everything else later. Now, one of the things that we need is we need to do our keyword research to find the keywords that we're going to target. And we usually do this before we get to this point. But I'm going to show you real quick how to do this. And I have TubeBuddy installed. I don't have a paid version of TubeBuddy on this channel. So what I'm going to do is I am going to switch channels, switch account, switch it back to my main channel. Now I can go to the Keyword Explorer. And we can just type in keywords. And there we go. We've got a decent search volume. Every once in a while you get lucky right off the bat. But I know, okay, this is judging the weighted score based off of my channel, but I also already know this new channel doesn't have any subscribers or views yet. So I'm probably not going to get 46 average views because my current channel has 0. So I want to keep looking and seeing if I can weigh down another score. And this is going to give you more keyword research ideas for our video. Because this is a clip out of another video, generally I usually do my keyword research before I even press record. But because we're using clips out of a previously recorded video, this is a clip from one of our live streams, we're doing the keyword research after creating the content instead of before like we would normally do. And we are going to go to the Optimizing SEO Studio. How to come up with endless content ideas for YouTube. Then we want to do our description. Now, you notice as I do this description, it's highlighting certain words. And those words that it's highlighting are the words that are in my keyword phrase. If you look right here on the right-hand side, you're going to see my keyword phrase. And these words that it's highlighting inside the description are the keywords, or the words that are in my keyword phrase. I want some partial references to those keywords because that's going to help YouTube to have context for what my video should rank for. And then I also want to include a link. So I'm going to have a link. Every time I do one of these clips, I'm going to have a link back to the full live stream. See the full video here for a complete content planning guide for your YouTube channel. And then we are going to find the link to our content guide and we'll put that in there. So we're going to save this as draft. As you see, I had a 95% SEO score. We'll boost it up to 100% as we post the video. All right, so we finished with TubeBuddy. And we got the description. Now, because I have TubeBuddy on my other account, I don't have it set up on this new account. I just copied and pasted the title and the description that we wrote in TubeBuddy into a blank notepad so I could copy it over here. You can also do this if you are using StreamYard or Restream. If you're doing a live streaming software and you're setting up a live stream, you cannot import directly from TubeBuddy. Now, if you have the TubeBuddy Pro account set up on the channel that you're adding content to, you can import it directly from TubeBuddy, and that's an extra step you don't have to do. So then you got here, we've got our description. I would put my link in there to the full playlist. So we're going to go back to my YouTube channel. We're going to go to the videos. We are going to find the content planning page. Just right click, copy link address, come back over to the video and paste. And there we got a link to the video in this clip of our latest live stream. And then I would go right here. I would upload a custom thumbnail. And you have to verify your account to have that access. I haven't done that yet. I don't have any playlists. Now, if I want to create playlists, I just did a video on how to create playlists. We will link to it right here. But if I want to, I could just go create a playlist right here. And I can do a playlist for content planning strategies, create, and done. We are going to select it as not for kids, and then we can move it to unlisted or public. I like to move it to unlisted first, and I'll show you why here in just a second. Go ahead and save it. Save. F5. Then we want to go to comments and we just say you can see the full live stream here. Control V and comment. That'll put that comment in there, and then we can pin the comment. This pinned comment means that comment will always show up at the top of our comments. You want to do this on every single video. Now, I did not get that link up at the very top. We're going to move that. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete this space here and save it again. Go back and refresh the page. And there, now we see our link. So now you're going to see that we have a link here that goes back to the main video. We also have it right here. So we have two links now going back to our main video. This is absolutely important. Then you want to go to your Endscreens. And again, you can go right here. Now, normally you could do this one of two ways. If you were linking this to your regular channel, you could just choose a specific video on your channel, or I can go to any video on YouTube. Since this is going to my other channel, I'm just going to paste the link in there. Content Planning 101. There we go. And now we've got that link right there in the card or in the end screen. Just save that. And then you go to cards, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go right here to the last couple of minutes of the video. We're going to add a video. And we are going to add it there. Now we have the same link that sets up a link funnel. So our card, our end screen, everything is going to link back to the main video. You want to set up these link funnels. Whatever link you choose to share or send people to, you want to make sure your end screen, your cards, your description, and that pinned comment are all pointing at the same video. This is one of the huge things that a lot of people get wrong. And if you do it this way, you're funneling traffic and telling YouTube this video is highly relevant to the video they just watched. So that's going to help YouTube recommend that video, not only on this video, but other videos similar to this one. Alright, so now we got that done. So now what we want to do is we want to go down here, go to show more, and we have to do tags. Now tags, there's a lot of debate on how useful tags are on YouTube. My opinion on it is they're pretty much useless. YouTube does not put a lot of weight on tags. But from what I've learned talking to other people, tags are more important for monetization than they are for YouTube search and discovery. But even then, they're very minimally used. So what I would recommend is, as long as YouTube gives us the feature, we still want to utilize it, but don't spend a whole lot of time and effort on it. There's a reason why tools like TubeBuddy and vidIQ only lend about 5% of their search ranking score to the tags, because they're one of the least important things on your channel. But it's still there, so we still want to use it. So for tags, we want to do basically context and variation. So for example, content ideas, video ideas, YouTube for videos, just variations on the main keyword. The main keyword was endless content ideas for YouTube. So we want to do variations on YouTube content, topics, videos, different synonyms for that, as well as different variations of that. You want to, take the same phrase, but reorder the words in different ways. This is going to give YouTube contextual ability to then rank. This is how channels rank for a whole bunch of different similar phrases, is because they put those similar phrases in their tags. This is really the only way that tags are useful on YouTube. So again, we're just reordering the same verb. And you want to just do, a few. And then we also want to put your name. And then I put my show name. That way, if people start searching as my show becomes popular. Right now, it's not a search term. My name, my show is not really a good search term. But as I grow in authority, as people start trying to find me, I want them to be able to find my content ranking for my name. and the name of my show, Conversations on Content, and James Pruitt will be in my tags on every single video I put out. So select your language. You should have this set to default for your native language. For me, it's English. Caption certification, no, I don't have one. Recording date, and we're just going to save that. And at this point, our first video is now published. So, real quick, I wanted to show you how to do something. You can go right here to your channel studio. Go down here to the settings tab and go to the feature eligibility. This feature requires phone verification. You just go right here, verify your phone number, and that will unlock the ability to do custom thumbnails, videos longer than 15 minutes, live streaming, and appealing content ID claims. Now, just to be aware, you can only verify 2 channels per phone number per calendar year. So if you're running multiple channels, you only have to do the verification once, but if you're running multiple channels, then you have to realize that you can only do 2. That's why I'm not going to verify this channel, because it's a throwaway channel, and I'm not going to waste one of the 2 that I have for the year on a throwaway channel. Anyway, I hope that this helps you get started. Hopefully, you've been able to now get your first videos uploaded and going on YouTube. Next, we're going to show you how to set up playlists and how to organize your playlist and get your homepage set up and ready to go. We'll check this video out right here to get started with your playlist, and we'll see you over there. If you're new here, don't forget, click the subscribe button and join us for all of our latest updates.